it's your girl Carol. Welcome back to Carol on the Move, where we cook, travel, do some life challenges, and live life with flavor. Let's go!
Wenato kama? How much? Sekiralu. It's okay. Somebody told me to talk about where I get some of my things, or plug you with where I get some of my things. Well, for this pressure cooker, I got it from Ninja. I'll include the name and the number. I'm forgetting the name. And these days, as a woman, you don't have to wait till you get a sponsor or till you have a man to get some of these things. This pressure cooker was going for, was it 5,000 or 4,000? Okay, they're about. I'll inquire about the prices. I think I bought mine on cash, but you can join a chama. I think I got mine in cash, but they are chamas. Like, once you get to these chamas, you get to like redeem a certain amount of money, because mostly these chamas have like 10 people, meaning every week we give one person, but they don't give the person until we are almost done, or until you're done with your contributions. Reason being, most of us do not know each other, because some of us get to know each other online. So I'm not sure if I give you or if you receive your product, you will continue contributing. That's why every week we ensure that if it's the pressure cooker or if it's the fridge or if it's the washing machine, whatever it is you want, every week we ensure that the item was bought and it is in the shop, so that if I finish paying or redeeming my monthly, okay, my weekly, what am I saying? If I finish redeeming the whole amount, I can just go and get my stuff. So some of these things you don't necessarily have to wait till you can afford them. You can get into a chama or go for a lipa mdogo mdogo. Like I told you before, I got my TV, I think it's the TV, at Madai supermarket. And what I did, I went to Madai, paid half the money, then the rest I'm given like a month. But of course, since I didn't have to wait for a month, the same way with the fridge. I think I went to the Madai supermarket, redeemed half of it, then they give you like a month, a whole month for most of these furnitures and electronics. I'm talking about Madai supermarket, but I don't know about wherever you are or if there are Madai supermarkets wherever you are. But where I am in Murang'a, the Madai supermarket around here gives you a period for you to finish clearing, and after you've cleared, you get your items. For the foods, I mostly get them from the market, and Mokoyo market is quite cheaper, so I prefer going to the market. For the cereals, you can look for a wholesaler. It could be much cheaper than the supermarket, but you can just do your maths and calculations and see. Because honestly, personally, I do get most of my things from the supermarket, but the wholesale are quite cheaper. Look for wholesalers closer to you. But if you're in Murang'a, Maguna Stores is one of the wholesalers. Hoe is another wholesaler. They're almost overcooked. I forgot about it completely. In 40 minutes, it should be done. These are all cassavas, they're boiled. I have some matoke and beans. I have some beans. I have githeri, I have ndoma and some meat. And I'm yet to cook the greens and the sweet potatoes. But for now, since I do not have time, I need to step out. I also wanted to make some juice, some smoothies, but I'll not do that right now. I'll come do it later because it's on Sunday and I need to step out. But first of all, I want to store them in the fridge and freezer together with anything that looks perishable. So let's store this away. This is how you know we are in January. The only things you own are food stuff. some mala, and the mala I got it from Paris Village Vibes on. There are some cereals, but I'll get like the containers now, the bags, because these containers take a lot of space because I still have some food down there. But when buying a fridge next time, maybe ask for, okay, maybe ask to know if it is non-frost, because mine does frost, and sometimes you get like the ice down here on the fridge side when it runs for too long. Do you people store your bananas in the fridge? Because honestly I don't, and the reason I don't is because once the banana is cold, it's hard to even consume it. Let me shower, I need to step out. Hi guys, actually I'm here to thank you for watching, for subscribing, for liking, for sharing, for commenting, for everything, because finally we hit 4,000 watch hours. We finally hit 4,000 watch hours. We did that last week, and I'm so grateful, I'm so honored, I'm so blessed to even have you as a family. And eventually, finally, after all that toiling, after all that hard work, we can finally start adding with ads. So thank you very much. And even for those of you who gifted me, thank you very much. You can also join my membership if you've not and you'd like to. You can also join my membership. It's going to do a lot to my channel. I do not take it for granted. For now, I want to take dinner and call it a night. For now, I'm going to end this video here. And if you've come this far, please leave a food emoji, and I'll try my best to comment one back to you. Till next time, bye bye.
Thanks for hanging out with me. More good vibes, recipes, and adventures coming soon. You've been watching Carol on the Move.